Meet our Clean Lash Club Extensions Aftercare Kit. It comes in this adorable travel bag, which I collect all of them. It has a rinse bottle, so you put water in here and then you can just rinse it. You don't have to splash your whole face with it. Comes with our Pure Cleanser. This is a cleanser that is developed by a pharmacist, and we manufacture them in an FDA-registered facility. Has all the testing done because nobody likes to have dirty lashes. This is designed for eyelash extensions, but you can use it with like DIY lashes, or you can use it if you just wash your eyes and want clean eyes, because nobody not clean eyes. You also have an option to get it. This is 75 ml, but you have an option to get it at the 150 ml bottle, a lot bigger. So this is the 150 and this is the 75 ml option. Also comes with an adorable brush, because I used to just wash them with my fingers. Highly not recommended. This is the brush. You would take your cleanser, pump it onto your hand, use the brush, wash, and then rinse. Super easy to have like clean lashes. And it also comes with a little brush so you can brush your lashes afterward. So this kit is perfect if you have eyelash extension, if you want to buy it and retail, sell it to your clients, if you're a lash artist. And clean lashes are happy lashes, so happy lashing.